In the early morning hours on August 5, 2024, at approximately 3:35 a.m. in the area of Fort Wayne, Indiana, police arrest Tiana Smith. She initially ran a stop sign, which would have been a simple citation. As the officer approached the vehicle to address the traffic violation, the situation quickly escalated in an unexpected manner. The following shows what not to do when on a traffic stop. Please be advised that body camera footage does not show everything seen and experienced by the officer. The Fort Wayne Police Department has stated that a comprehensive review of the officer's actions and the suspect's behavior is underway to ensure all procedures were followed appropriately. All suspects are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Hi there.
Hi.
You know why I stopped you?
No.
When you turned on to Alexander from McKee, you went right through the stop sign.
I didn't.
471 was after me. Affirmative, go ahead.
I didn't.
You got your driver's license? I'm clear. You start 105, please. You have your ID, ma'am?
I don't.
You
I just
don't?
left from my friend's house. I don't. My purse is there.
What's that?
I said I don't. My purse is at my friend's house.
Okay. All right, so you don't have any ID on you whatsoever?
No, but I didn't run through no stop sign. So
Yeah, you did.
I didn't.
Okay. All right, what's your name? What's your name, ma'am? Hello? What's your name? Hey, I'm talking to you.
I hear you.
Okay, you have to identify yourself.
1 second.
No, this is not how that works.
No, because you just pulled me over when I literally just parked.
Okay.
And I'm
All right.
pulling up to pick up my friend. So
Okay.
I'm confused on why I even got
It's very simple. You just ran a stop sign,
I
okay?
didn't, though.
Yeah, you did. Okay. I didn't need your name. Ma'am, turn the car off, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
471, what was the female's name again? She's not complying. Step up. That's not how this works. Step out of the car.
You just pulled me over.
Step
for
out of the
no
car.
Reason.
It's gonna go a couple ways, okay? You can either listen, we can do this easy, or you...
Right, but okay, so let me see me running the stop sign. You got your cam on, right?
We have cameras, yes.
Okay, so let me see it.
No, I'm not showing you the
Well,
camera.
I'm about to call my lawyer, and you can back the fuck up. Because
Step out of the
I
car.
know fucking right.
Step out of the car, or I'm gonna make you step out of the car, okay?
We need you to step out of the car. We can have a conversation in the back.
No,
no,
that's
it's
not the conversation.
no, that's not how this
Step
works.
out of the
You
car.
need to come out of the car.
How it works
No, it's
because
not.
I didn't do anything.
If I have to put hands on you and you resist, you're gonna get another charge, okay?
So we just need you to step out. So
Step
we
out of the car, please.
Force you to come out.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Do it.
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Kick me.
Put your hands behind your head.
Put your hands behind your back. Give me your hands. Starts at 15. Give me your hands.
I'm gonna spray real quick.
Give me your hands. You're getting pepper sprayed. Give me your hands.
I can't help
Give me your hands.
You got my hands. You got my hands.
Give me your hands.
You got my hands.
You are not listening.
And you
Give me
got
your
my hands.
Put them behind your back.
How if you got them?
Put them behind your back.
I can't.
I'm saying so.
I got this one.
They got your hands. Get your hands up.
Stop.
You're so everything's recorded. You dumb. And you just punched me in my face.
Yeah, you kicked me.
You hit me. And you pulled my leg off.
Stay back.
I don't have this one out.
I know it ain't take two of y'all, bro. I know it ain't take two of y'all, bro.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Makes my eyes
I'm watching y'all. Hey, chill out with your knee, bro. Hey, chill out, bro.
Stay back.
Chill out, bro. Hey, bro, do your regular training. Do your regular.
It's over. It's over.
No, it is over, bro.
Grab that on.
It is, bro. This shit take one of y'all. You're
Stand up.
Little do y'all know I'm fucking one of y'all cops, bitch. You done. Done.
Should have listened.
Yeah, you good.
You should have just listened. All right,
And
it's
I'm
over.
fucking one of y'all, so
It's over.
with. Get
It's
my
over.
phone!
Come over here.
Get my phone!
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit down.